Hey guys, it's Liberty Freedom Outdoors here. I'm gonna test out some CCI birdshot 22 long rifle against a regular CCI, I think it's called mini mag hollow point. Let's see what kind of penetration we get. We really want to see if this birdshot is good at killing rats. Would it be good if you walked up on a snake? And what kind of damage would we get? So here we have a basic penetration test all the way to the right. We have just drywall in the front, insulation in the middle, drywall on the back. In the middle, we actually have a piece of 29 gauge metal roofing, 3/4 inch plywood behind it, and then insulation drywall on the back. And over to the far left up top, we have a piece of 29 gauge metal steel also. Underneath of it, we got siding. We have a piece of plywood, 3/4 inch behind that, insulation, and drywall on the back. Five rounds for 5 shots. We'll go check it out. Okay guys, I'm back to the camera. Let's check it out. In the drywall, there's the entrance. Guaranteed it probably came out the back. Yep, there's the back. Came all the way through that one. Into the metal, we hit low on the metal. It doesn't matter because it still came out with a good chunk coming out the back. Down here on the plywood, we aimed a little bit lower. And into the plywood, it did not come out, it doesn't appear, unless that bullet curves. Into the metal, 29 gauge steel again. There's our entrance. And it definitely came out the back. And then down here into the siding, there's our entrance. And definitely came out the back, even though I was low on that. So on the mini mag, I think it's 40 grain. Let's see, what is it? Mini mag hollow point penetration test. If that was the side of a house, it would go straight through it, unless it hit a 2x4. Please like and subscribe. Part 2 coming with the birdshot next.